utopia casually here. What is going on, YouTube? Today is a very special day. I just got invited to go to something called the Concours d'Elegance. It is a special event where there are multi-million dollar vehicles, and right now we're going to the parking garage by the Wynn Casino. It is a beautiful day out today. It is about 67 degrees, beautiful sky. We're in the LS Swap BRZ. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, it's a tunnel. And also, ignore my check engine light, please. It's within the 40s.
No one ever. Yeah. Oh my.
Oh my, an Apollo. I'm kind of overwhelmed with how many hypercars are just on this floor alone. If I had to guess, there's probably 100 million minimum. We have, I think this is like a one of 3, one of 4 Zonda Cinque. Same with that one. We got a Carbon, Vader, Agera, another Agera, got a Chiron, got a Centenario, got a Veyron, Gunther Works, Pagani Huayra BC, Centenario, Xi'an. It is overwhelming and it doesn't really click. You got a Utopia casually here. Dude, even the Speedtail just looks unreal. It is so slick. You're good, dude. Now, out of all these supercars and hypercars, my favorite is probably this GT500. It honestly sticks out in the crowd. Because they have music playing, I'll probably have to mute all these clips and put music over it. But here we got this F1 car. The dog and a Porsche. Another Shelby GT, what is this? GT500 CR. Full carbon. I'm trying my absolute best to get the full depth of all the cars here, but with how many cars there are and how many people there are, I do like how there's spaces in between them so you can actually get a full frame of the vehicle. Just look at these Bugatti Chirons right here. I'm not even sure what model this is, but it has no windshield. Looks expensive.
What's your Insta?
What's your Insta, guys?
Let's go for the car. I put the whip.
But this is scary.
Yeah, I mean, definitely couldn't help it. Is it good?
People.
Accurate as that.
Oh, that dude's running.
It is so freaking spoiler.
Hit him at 5. I love the sound of it. It sounds like a cam V8. Well, it is a V8, but here you go. Not even in the show. Check this out. GTR on slicks. What's that, GT4 RS? Miami blue maybe? I don't know. I'm not a car guy.